A mechanical-only polishing process is used in stainless steel bowls to make them shiny. There is no polish involved. Occasionally, new stand mixer bowls may have residue in the bowl that cannot be removed in the dishwasher or by hand washing. When this happens, it may be noticeable to the naked eye. It is a common occurrence when polishing stainless products. The residue can be removed easily. KitchenAid recommends putting a small amount of olive oil in the bowl and spreading it around the inside. Let this sit for several minutes, then wipe the oil out. After removing the oil, wash the bowl with hot water and a good dish detergent. You can also use a mixture of lemon juice and salt, even a baking soda paste, to clean the bowl. These are both food-safe alternatives with abrasive qualities that will adequately clean the bowl. If you would like to download or view product literature for your appliance, please visit the Manuals and Literature page of our website. Explore more today at KitchenAid.com.